Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's photography tutorial, we are gonna go green and only do macro photography of leaves. Let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Now, green is a color that I associate with nature. It energizes us, refreshes us, lets us breathe. So let's bring that energy into our photography, and we are gonna do macro photography of leaves only. And I'm gonna attach my Raynox DCR-250 to my 1855mm and 7300mm kit lenses for that. I will also use my external flash and trigger. So let's get started.
First, I will take a close-up shot of these beautiful green leaves with my Raynox attached. These leaves have quite a unique shape. When a flower comes with the leaves. This leaf is so huge, it will be more steady. I have sprayed some water over this leaf. Now let me remove the Raynox and just click with my 7300mm lens. If I were to photograph these leaves keeping the sky as my background, I might get a beautiful shiny white background. Just remember to point my flash or else the image will come as a silhouette. I can go super close to photograph the pattern of this leaf. When you get some insects with your leaves. I will simply place a leaf on a wood surface like my table and just click. Placing leaves on a book. I have held a leaf in my palm, clicking against my window. Leaf floating in water. I am using a green t-shirt and white paper as my background and will place my leaf here. I can take a leaf and place my flash right behind it to get a beautiful white background.
Wow, this is what I love about photography. If photography would have not been in my life, I would be in front of my desk at all times or with my mobile. Photography gives me a chance to observe and explore nature, and I'm really loving it. And if you love this video guys, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which macro photography tutorials you want me to explore next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous macro photography tutorial where I photographed water. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.